So back to generic shape. If we click on generic shape, we'll do a new shape. We'll do 200 by 200 with a 10mm lead-in. So what we'll do on this one is we'll add a range of circles. So that's this one here. So row pitch we'll go for 25 by 25 with an offset of 25 by 25, and we'll have just a guess, 6 by 6 columns. Add feature. So it's rubbish, so we'll undo the feature there. Change the damage down to 15, and we'll have a row pitch of 30. So what we're just trying to do is just fill this with holes. Add feature. That's better. So we've got a bunch of holes in there. So this might be a cover plate or something. Now we clearly don't need all these holes in the middle. So what we can do is go and delete those. So we'll select, starting here, delete hole 8. Delete. 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 It's keeping the numbering on there. So now we're going to delete 10. So that's all that hole there. Delete. 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 12. Delete. 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 14. Delete. 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 So we've now made a cover plate with a bunch of holes around the outside, and we've not had to do too much work to do that. So it might be that this cover plate is going to fit over a hole with a similar arrangement of holes in it. So we can add a cutout, and we can stick a square in the middle of that one, a rectangle. We'll make that say 120 by 120. And we'll base that on a centre in the middle, so 100 by 100. So there's a cover plate, and that's the hole it covers. So we'll save that as cover plate. Cover 200. So there's a 200mm cover plate. So we can cut that one out. Once we've cut that one out, we can go back into Flexi Shapes, generic shape, save shape. There's our cover there at the top. And in this case, what we'll do, that's hole number 21, it looks like there. So 21. And we'll delete that. So there's our next plate without the hole in it. So we can cut those out as a pair, and it just gives you an idea of the sort of things you can create using